Dispatch, I got shots fired at Air 1.
You know what I mean?
Southbound, Avenue. 10-4. Let me know if I need to step in. Right there. Ground it. Off the car. 10-4. If that's going to be the car, then pits are automatically going to be approved as he is a immediate danger to the public safety as he's from the pop shop.
Step out of the vehicle with your hands up.
Additional unit on scene.
Step out of the vehicle with your hands up, facing away.
Alright, so Bell Engine Ave. Continue high rate of speed. Gonna be quick Bell Engine Ave. 1050 with the heating. Ah, fuck. I can't go grab a wrongly labeled vehicle to put a grappler on it. What do y'all think?
Opposite lane of travel going the opposite way. Back northeast, southeast over. Back northeast. Forgiveness. Another vehicle intercepting. With the black one, the grey vehicles back in. Turned around.
Make sure you guys get a plate lock on it. I was not able to set up my radar because I immediately came to the state above. Oh, don't take us on the highway because that's going to be your motherfucker. Be aware, he is not fearing for his life. Oh, and he lost the tire. Oh, he lost the tire. He's fucked. He's fucked. Lock it. Lock. Stop. Let's not get bomber cars. We're just trying to box. Watch out, he is armed.
Hit draw, motherfucker! Yo, you have to admit that was a nice big shot though.
Saw that Air 1? Yeah, where I got you. You have to admit, that was a nice quick draw.
Vehicle's clear. It's just the one occupant.
Yeah, well, that was correct.
I'll be back out. Y'all see me again. They make y'all not boring.
Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can be held against you in the court of law. Anything, you have the right to attorney. You have the right for one to be appointed to you if you do not have the funds for one to be appointed to you. At this time, do you want to answer any of my questions?
I'll answer everything you want me to, dog.
Alright. There was a report of the helicopter being shot at Do you know anything of the report of the helicopter being shot at is the reason why the police showed up in the first place and tried to pull you over?
Actually, I pumped out of my car and pulled the trigger by accident. But I didn't know I had a gun in my hand. Got back in, ran away, come back, and I just sat there. It was by accident. That happens. We're here.
Right. I'm not going to be the arresting officer. I believe there's somebody else going to write your report up, so I would stick with that same story, whatever you go.